Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about GUI with the database connectivity, but it is part one. So obviously we will check only the simple things like what you all have to install first of all. So first of all, click on start. Okay, click on run and click on command. And first you need to install that is pip install, and you have to write mysql dash connector, and then again dash, and you have to write python. Okay, so successfully installed, you all can see it is successfully installed. So that is your step number one, that you install this pip space install mysql dash connector dash python. That is the step number one, and then close this. Okay, then second thing is you have to be make sure that in your computer you have a XAMPP. Okay, so here you all can see XAMPP is there. You just have to start only the Apache and MySQL. So click on Apache and click on MySQL. Okay, and then minimize. Okay, now here you all can see we have a very small code import, and we are importing mysql.connector. Now it will work because obviously we have installed. Then we have one variable mydb equal to, and mysql.connector, that is our module, and in that we have a connect function. So it has right now 3 parameters, but it has a total 4 parameters. We'll go one by one. Like default host, like if you are running this on your local machine, then you have to use either localhost, or you can use the default IP address, which is 127.0.0.1. Then by default your user, if you have not assigned it, will be root. Okay, and if it is user equal to root, that is the default one, then you don't need any password, so your password will be empty. And there will be one more parameter which is database, but in the later on all the videos we will check how to insert, how to update all that queries and everything. That time we will use that fourth parameter, which is database. Now here we have if condition, means if it is possible to connect this localhost, username, root, password blank, everything, then you should print connection established successfully. Otherwise it should print connection error. So control S and F5. See, connection established successfully. That means it is working. XAMPP is also working, and we have successfully installed MySQL connector using the command prompt. Thank you, everyone.